Hey guys, welcome back, and you must want to make a vanilla server if you've clicked this video. If you're wondering what I'm jumping the gun for, you mustn't have seen my other one, so please click the link in the description now for part 1 on how to set up a Minecraft server. It goes through how to port forward, and when you're done you can either select this video on how to create a vanilla server or the bucket version, which will also be in an annotation or in the link in the description, or maybe even in both, but yeah, whatever. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser and go to minecraft.net, and you want to, over in the bottom right, go to the download, and you want to ignore the bit up here because that's the actual Minecraft client, so if you haven't got Minecraft, that's where you would download it. This is what you want the multiplayer server. You want to ignore the first link, which is the Minecraft_server.exe. You want to ignore that one because that's the application version, and it's not as reliable as the .jar. You want to come down to where it says download and run Minecraft_server.jar 621 KB, and you want to click that and click keep if it asks you, and then you want to, after where it says width, you want to highlight from the J in Java down to the I in Node GUI. You don't want the full stop at the end of it because that'll mess up the code that you're going to be making. Click copy, and you want to go to a new folder on your desktop and name it vanilla server, and you want to just put that there. Now you want to open up Notepad. In Windows it's just Start, All Programs, and I think it's Accessories, is it? Yeah, Accessories. And you want to paste in the code that you just copied from the internet. And you want to make sure there is no full stop at the end, and it definitely says Minecraft_server.jar. And you want to go File, Save As, and go to the vanilla Minecraft folder that you made there. Vanilla server, and rename it as Minecraft_server_startup. It doesn't really matter what you name that bit, as long as after you have finished writing it you put .bat and change the server's type to all files. So make sure you can name it what you want here, and then just have the .bat after it, and click save, and you can close that. And if you go into your vanilla server folder, you should have a Windows batch file, and this is going to be what you use to run your Minecraft server from. So you want to go to the download. You want to go to the download that you got of the Minecraft server. I've tried this tutorial once already and failed recording, so I've got 2 of them. But you want to cut or copy that into your vanilla server file and make sure it is saved as Minecraft_server. Yours won't have the WinRAR archive, yours will be an executable jar file, or it should be unless you've already set it. But if I set mine back to that, ignore that, completely ignore that. If I can get it to close, yeah, ignore the Java bit. I'll just end that process if I can find it. There we go, end. And yeah, so they're the 2 files you want in that folder, and you can double click your Minecraft server startup file, and this command prompt box will open up and it'll tell you how many recipes you've got, how many achievements you've got, and it'll start preparing the spawn area. And from there you need to type in stop into the box, and that will stop your server, and that should close, and you can double click it again, reopen it. That just allows it to refresh, make sure it runs smoothly, and that should be it. You can join your server. So let's just check if it works. I think my Minecraft may jump into full screen, so you may not be able to see it, but I'll put it back to normal for you as soon as it decides to load up. Oh, it's Minecon at the minute, so if anyone's there, you'll probably know how to do this, so you won't be watching. But yeah, I might be going to Minecon next year. Log in, and you can see my texture pack. This FaxBDcraft, and yeah, it jumped into full screen. So I'll just quickly. You'll probably not be able to see what I'm doing. I'm not sure. Where's it at again? It should be under. I can't remember where it's at. Full screen, other full screen off. There we go. Right, you should be able to see it now. And if I go to my multiplayer, I'll just delete that quickly. And you want to add a server, and you can rename this as my own server. And the server address, you can either type in local host, you can type in your default gateway, so the router IP. You probably will not want to do that because it's just too much hassle. And the final thing you can type in is 127.0.0.1 and click done, and it should come up my own Minecraft server, a Minecraft server, join server, and here you go, you've got your own server. And you can wander around and do what you like. Now, if I just show you in the Windows command prompt bit, it shows who logs in here. This is your, this is what they call the, not the control panel. I can't remember what they call it. The, yeah, whatever. But you can type in commands in here. So if you didn't know the commands, you would type in question mark and hit enter, and that'll show all the different things. Or you can press the question mark and then 2, and it'll give you the second page of them. And so if I wanted to kick myself out of the game, I would type in kick and then my username, which is I'm Gregsy with 2 Y's, hit enter, and you can see in the background kick by an operator. Yeah, so that is how you get up and start running your own vanilla server. So if you would like to see how to set up a bucket server, or if you have any requests, then please give me an inbox, but the bucket server link will be in the description of this video and hopefully in an annotation on your screen now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this helped.